Hey everyone, this is David B, and I just bought a new microphone that I'm going to start using to record some of my YouTube videos. It's a Shure SM58. This is a dynamic microphone. I'll try to open it one-handed and do a bit of an unboxing video. Okay, so we open it up. We have the manual, along with some other stickers and registration cards. I don't know what this is. It's something that you Velcro around the microphone. Here's the piece that connects it to a tripod or stand, mic stand. And here is the microphone itself. Ta-da! So it's a bit of a small microphone, but should work nicely. This is one of the most popular microphones in the world for use for singing, for any live events. This is sort of the go-to dynamic microphone. Costs around $100. And it comes, if I can get it out, with a soft carry case. And that's it. So that was the unboxing of the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone.